another Popit. Okay, so this is a rainbow dinosaur Popit, which I'm also going to give to somebody else in my birthday party. So, like, I don't really know. This is the quiet side. And this is the loud side. Okay, so let me just tell you guys a secret. So we are getting more Popits. There's like the octopus one, the flipping thing, but it's like a silicone one, and also more ball spinners, and also some snappers. They're like snapping, but they're rainbow, so I'm gonna film that in the next one. So see you in the next one.